Hi, this is my 1979 Frontera 250, model 214. Just got it running, and I'm still in process of giving it a restoration. Had this bike since about 1990, but really didn't do much with it. Had a different engine in it, rode it in a Enduro, seized the motor, put a different engine in it. This motor is out of a 77 Persang, model 192. Got a Mikuni carb. One of my projects currently is to replace this rubber carb adapter. It's showing signs of cracking due to age. That, and I need a front brake cable. I think I've got one. And I sure would like blue fenders. These are in pretty sad shape, so I need to get blue fenders. This engine has a motoplat ignition, but it does not have lighting because it's out of a Persang. So I'd like to replace the motoplat ignition with one with lighting. That's it for now.